konde mopogore opogore. Ginyiso kaka ratichgi ne orochi ka koro gikwayo pinje ma oko mondo omi kuma jotend pinje adek, Kenya, Tanzania kod Uganda, kuom rito ratiro mag jopiny. Gisingo mar mako bura e doho mar Afrika ma Ugwe kendo kwayo doho mar piny mangima mar ICC mondo odonjre e wachno. Bende gikawo thuolo mar goyo erokamano ne jopiny mane ochung' kodgi e kinde mane otekgi e piny Tanzania.
I just got afraid when they blindfolded us. I think I had a moment of like almost a panic attack because always my fear was being tortured. I always thought, I wish the day they get me, I have like poison and I swallow it so that I don't go through so much pain, so much humiliation. So I was afraid when they picked us up, and then I told myself, there's nothing you can do.
Then they took us, drove for about 20 minutes. Then they took us to a building. To this place where they went to torture us. When you go there, they told me to get off the car, I came out, and then they banged the door on my face. I had a mark here, I don't know if it's still there. I don't know what they were waiting for. I think they were putting some things ready. They got me out. I was still handcuffed and blindfolded, and they told me to strip naked. And I stripped naked. When I stripped naked, they removed my handcuffs, and then I was grabbed by about 4 men.
We look to the East African Community, SADC, East African Court of Justice, the International Commission of Juries, foreign embassies in East Africa, and the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights to act decisively. The time for silence is over. Stand with the people of East Africa against tyranny and impunity.
Jon bura dwaro ni migawo mar pur mondo one ni jopur mag chayo yudo ratiro korka nengo chai. Jod burago dwaro ni kawo kalo kuom KTDA nengo chai keti e yo ma ok bi hinyo yuto mar jopur. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar pur Dr. Paul Rono to kata kamano okoni jopur nyaka ne ni chai margi ochopo rang'eny ma owinjore.
Kweli inaangana mkulima. Ndio mimi nauza majani chai. Saa hii hata mimi nauliza uliuza ngapi? Na nitakuja hata mimi niko na chai. So mwambia mkulima haki. Haki ndio